Hello everyone. Let us discuss about a spot purchase order or local purchase order creation in SAP. Please log in to SAP system and enter the transaction code ME21N in command bar and click enter button in the keyboard. In purchase order screen, first navigate to order type and click on drop down. Here we can see the different document types. And now we select the document type ZCS OMGRP spot purchase. Now move to supplier field and type the supplier code. For example, I am taking the code to 2002993 and press enter. We can see the supplier description also. Next, in document date field, system displays creation date by default, but you can change the date if required. After entering these fields, go to Header section. In Header, please select the Organization Data tab and give the purchase organization, which is MGRP, and purchase group M24 for spot purchase orders, and company code is 1000 for Mega Engineering Private Limited, and press enter. Now we move to the item overview level. Here we have various fields like item, account assignment category, material short text, and etc. Next, in the account assignment category, enter the alphabet Q, which represents project make to order, and give purchased material code in the material field. Suppose I type cement, we can see the list of cement material descriptions with material codes. We can click on required material on the drop-down list and press enter. Observe here, the system fetches the master data information, which is nothing but material description, unit of measure, material group, etc. automatically, and press enter. Then give quantity that you purchased in quantity field, example mention 20 as quantity. And in delivery date field, select the multiple search option, and in calendar box, double-click on delivery date. Now in net price field, please enter the net price per item. Example, I enter 500. And in plant field, enter the plant code. I am entering as 1024 for Maharashtra. And press enter. And in storage location field, give your storage location code. Example, enter 3264, the storage location of the project High Speed Rail Mumbai, and press enter. Now let's navigate to item details. Go to Account Assignment tab, and in WBS element field give WBS element 3264 and press enter. And in Invoice tab, place the cursor in tax code and click on multiple search option. We get list of tax codes and select the required input tax, which starts with I series. And I will select I7, which represent CGST and SGST with 18% of tax. And next to that, click on taxes option. The system will navigate to calculation screen, where we can find central GST and state GST with tax percentages and tax value. Now click on back button in standard toolbar. And if there are any conditions like discounts or handling charges, freight charges, give in the conditions tab. So, for explaining purpose, I want to add the discount percentage. We place the cursor in ZR00 and add the discount percentage example 5. And next go to header area and click on LC and BG tab. Select no checkbox to enable tick mark if inward bank guarantee is not applicable. Give the text conditions for purchase order in text tab in header area. Here we can see various text inputs as subject, header text, and reference. And scroll down, we can see the PO terms and conditions. Now go to subject. At the next to it, there will be a white text box. Double-click on it. System will generate security alert message box. Press enter to ignore it. Here in the word screen, enter any free text. Example, we type procurement of cement and come back. Similarly, for reference field, we proceed for same process. Now scroll down to bottom. We move to PO terms and conditions, and next to it, in white text box, we mention the terms and conditions of purchase order. At last, attach the relevant documents by clicking on Service for object icon and click on Create and create attachment and browse for the document and select. So the document gets attached successfully. If you want to put the purchase order on hold in case any entries needed to add, then click on Hold button. Then system creates a purchase order number that displayed at the bottom of the screen. In case if you want to save the purchase order, execute the transaction code ME22N in command bar and press enter. Now click on Other Purchase Order icon and enter the purchase order number that we have created. And click on Other Document. If it is ready to save, then click on Check button first and make sure there are no errors. Then click on Save button in Standard toolbar so that purchase order is saved and it will go for approvals. To see the approvals, execute the transaction code ME23N in command bar and click on Other Purchase Order and enter purchase order number and click on Other Documents. Then go to in header area and select Flexible Workflow tab and check the status. For checking or download the print of purchase order, click on Print Preview and select the output type LOCL and click on Print Preview icon. So, to download or print the document, enter PDF exclamation in command bar and press enter. Click on Save As and enter the file name and click on Save. Hence the purchase order document is saved in system successfully. This is the process of spot purchase order. Thank you.